many of them are not formally recognized. They do not have birth registration. So just the basic services that should be attributed to a Filipino citizen is even hard for them to access. The vision and the hope is that Filipino indigenous peoples are able to participate actively in community life amidst their thriving heritage.
I-push yung kung ano yung nasimulan ko ngayon. Yung kung ano yung mga nararanasan ng mga magulang nila, hindi na nila maranasan.